You are watching JNC's Corner.
So guys, today we're going to the Londons. Ayan, ito yung mga kasama ko guys. We're still waiting for my sister. So, hindi pa kami nakakalayo. Ayan, kumain na kami. Okay, I just used my card to go inside the barrier. So we're here now in the train station waiting for the train going to London. So we're in the right platform. Ayan, platform 2. So they have also a timetable, so I have to check. Ayan, they're offering ramp assist to us. So far, my mom can walk in the stairs, so we just refuse it. Yan yung gusto kong panoorin.
Wow!
So we're just waiting for the train now. Our train! Ang haba ng train namin. So nagpa-assist na lang kami para walang problema. Ay, nagsipa kami kanday, Jolens. Kasi dito kami sa disabled chair. Toilet pa sila pala dito. Ayan, mother. So we're going to Charing Cross, guys. Ayan yung apat. Ayan, nakapwesto sila, oh. Diba? Thank you. Nakalabas na kami, guys, ng train. We arrive here in London, Charing Cross train station. So we're going out now in Charing Cross station. Nag-stop over kami dito sa Krispy Kreme. Where's your mom? Is your mom buying something? Look, mom is buying Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme na si Sean.
Tapos?
Hindi pa sila natapos. Ayan, yung hubby naman ay nagbili ng Costa Coffee. Ayan. Kalabas na kami ng station. Ayan yung station. Hintay muna tayo, guys. Spells and Charms. Dito kami sa harapan ng Spells and Charms. Ayan.
Wow!
Oh, anong meron? So, we're going to the Trafalgar Square from Charing Cross. Trafalgar Square, London. So, they have a market here. Ayan, paikot-ikot kami kasi dapat yung flat na ang daanan namin kasi doon sa kabila stairs, so you have to come this way. Yung bus stop na malapit dito sa Trafalgar Square. Nakapasok din. And just in front of Trafalgar Square is the National Gallery. Ayan o. Ayan, ang bilis lang from Charing Cross, like 5 minutes walk. Turn taking muna kami. Medyo makulimlim ngayon yung panahon, guys, but as you can see, ang daming tao. Talagang tourist attraction talaga ang London. Makikita mo lagi puno yung Trafalgar Square. Anong meron? Bakit mayroong helicopter? Something emergency, mukhang busy ang police ngayon. So this is Major General Sir Henry Havelock. Iniwan nila ako, nandito na pala sila sa ano, Lion. So up close guys, napakalaki pala talaga nitong ano, Lion. Para kang pag malayo ka, parang hindi siya ganun kalaki pag nilapitan mong laki. So ito guys ang paligid ng Trafalgar Square. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa Jollibee. So along the way nakikita namin ito. This is the National Portrait Gallery. Ito yung other side of entrance ng National Portrait Gallery. Actually, hindi ka pala makaano dito. Sa kabila daw ang entrance. Yan, buti na lang mayroong ano si Mother. Malaking bagay din. Yan, dito yung entrance ng National Portrait Gallery. Ito yung isa sa mga aktor nila, si Henry Irving. Ayan, paggabi daw maganda dito kasi may mga Christmas lights. Ayan. Dito banda maraming kainan. Side to side ang kainan. Kainan din yan sa kapila. Mostly mga Italian restaurant. Ayan, mayroon silang ice skating ngayon. Ayan, oh. Daming tao guys. Grabe. Nandito kami sa harapan ng Jollibee guys. Ayan, oh. Jollibee. Nakakatawa kasi itong mga bata ito kakakailan ng donut, naghahanap na ng Jollibee. Let's go in the Jollibee. So let's go in guys. Order muna tayo. Yan, Jollibee spaghetti. Talagang ano na si Mother, nagutom na. Oh, paborito ni Sak pala yung hamburger.
Yummy.
A few moments later.
Oh, we just come out from the Jollibee and now we're going here in the Leicester Square skate. Ayan, maraming stalls dito guys. Kung gusto nyo ng mga souvenirs. Ayan, ang ganda ng mga woodworks. So, yan pala yung skates nila. Oh. Ito pala mga skates nila. Sean, you want to try skating? Zach, do you know how to skate? No?
I know. No, you don't, Sean.
You know?
You haven't even talked about skating.
So, mayroon siyang crystal na pwede mong tingnan yung mga nag-skate dito. So if you want marshmallow roasted guys, you can do it here. Ayan, oh, they have like a bonfire here. Dito guys, ang daming tao, grabe. May mga kainan, souvenirs. Actually, dumaan lang kami kasi pupunta kami doon sa may Lego at saka sa M&M. Yeah, we arrived here at Lego and you have to queue actually. According to my sister, yung queue right now is not that bad compared before. Talagang ang haba ng pila dati. Opposite of Lego is the M&M. Pati dito ang daming tao guys. Inside here they have some of the display of Lego. Gusto mong sumakay? Gusto mong sumakay sa kotse mo? Ayan o. Nag-iiba-iba pa ang kanyang plaka. Dito sa Lego, mayroon silang Big Ben. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Yung Big Ben nila. Ito naman yung display nila of different flowers. Habang sa shopping ang mga bata ng Lego, dito kami ni Mother nag-aantay sa gilid, tumitingin sa mga tao, ang daming tao, in out. Ito yung tree nila, oh, very colorful. Gustong-gusto ng mga tao yung picturean, yung car. So, I'm going on the second floor kasi marami daw ditong mga naka-display pa. Labas na kami sa Lego. Ngayon punta naman kami sa M&M. Kaya nakakatuwa yung mga tricycle dito. Grabe, ang daming tao, guys. Ayan, oh, daming mga turista. Ayan, dito na kami sa harapan ng M&M. Here we are! Mahilig kayo sa sweets? This is the right place. Baka malasing ka niyan! Ayan, akyat kami sa taas. Mayroon silang ditong dispenser. You can buy whatever you want. Just like that, oh. All the walls are different M&Ms. Yeah, different colors in the end there. Different flavors. So you can just buy little by little. Look at that. Lots of kids love it. It's so interactive. So if you drop something here, it will fall. Yeah. So they have a catcher. Here we got white and pink. And they have they are coated. Most of the nuts is peanut. Bili niya na yung kanyang dapat bilhin. Ay, post na ang namin dito sa M&M. Lalabas na ulit kami. Yeah, so that the M&M will not going to crash. Ayan, follow the leader. Here we are again in the street. We are entering the Chinatown. Ayan, ang dami nilang lanterns. Talagang malalaman mong China kasi nga yung mga lantern nila, oh. Kaya nandito, guys, ang daming tao, oh.
Wow!
Maghahalo-halo kami. So we're going this way. Food court siya dito sa gitna. Ang daming mesa, punong-puno. Pumasok na sila. Ano ba ito? Mama Sans. Dirty ice cream. We stopped by here in the Filipino ice cream shop. We got a halo-halo. Look at that. Yum. More halo-halo. And Shonir ice cream. Ito yung kanilang mga choices. We're going back to the train station na. Oh, anong meron? May demonstrasyon. This is demonstration. Okay, we're back here in Trafalgar.
The numbers are staggering.
Ayan o, City Police horses. Grabe ano, pati yung mga horse may ano talaga bus. Back in the train station.
More moments later.
Tingnan kami guys. Dito na kami sa ano, Orpington. Kita-kita din kami dito sa estasyon. Thanks for watching guys until the end, and please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more awesome travel tips. See you guys next time. Bye!